Asá Kingdom is in the northern part of Iwoland, located in Adeolu local government of Osun State, Nigeria. According to oral tradition from the Àdáátán Palace, the ancestors of Asá people migrated from Lafogido ruling house in Ile-Ife. The great ancestor, Prince Olajungburu Eleje, left Ile-Ife with his people and paraphernalia of an Oba to settle first at Efon and finally at the present location through the guide of Ifa Oracle. He was accompanied amongst other kith and kin by his most loved wife, Princess Abeni Muradike, a very devoted priest of Orisha Àdáátán from Ile-Ife. Prince Olajungburu was renowned for his devotion to Ifa, using 7 cowries, from which he earned the name Eleje. He earned the name Oki from his popular anti-court charms, Okigbe, which birthed the noun clause Asamoran, from which the town is now called Asá. Prince Olajungburu Oki Eleje Asamoran adopted the title Àdáátán for the kingdom of Asá from the name of the major deity Orisha Àdáátán since 1886. 8 different Baales have ruled Asá. The 8th Baale was crowned as a king in 1993. In 2010, Baale Oba Adigun from Oluberian ruling house was succeeded by a noble prince of Baba Isale ruling house, Prince Dr. Adeolu Akinmoyero Akinyanju Oshabukola. Ladies and gentlemen, join me on a royal voyage to Asá Kingdom to celebrate the anniversary of birth of that noble prince, an iconic king, a thoroughly bred symbol of royalty, a well-educated and civilized king who exudes nobility in every sense. His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Adeolu Akinmoyero Akinyanju Oshabukola I, Àdáátán of Asá Kingdom. Kábíyèsí, congratulations on your birthday. May God continue to bless you and grant you long, healthy and prosperous lifetime. May your reign continue to herald monumental development of Asá Kingdom, Iwoland, Yorubaland and the entire black race. Kábíyèsí, Ọba Ọ̀mọ̀wé Adeolu Akinmoyero Akinyanju Oshabukola àkọ́kọ́, Àdáátán ti ìlú Asá. Ṣèbẹ́yìn lọmọ Láfogido nílé-Ifẹ̀, ọmọ ọba Ọlájúngbùrú Òkí Eléje Òkí Àsámọ̀ràn ọkọ Múradékẹ́. Ẹ̀yin lọmọ ẹni abímọmọ kì í wù wọ́n ọmọ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ní yà wọ́n lára. Kábíyèsí, ẹ̀yin lọmọ ọ̀kánjú àbá nǹkan jẹ́ lásà àpọ̀jù bàbá ìwọ́ra. Ẹ̀yin ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà Àbẹ̀ní ogún lálùdó ọmọ tàfàtàfà tajẹ́ kiri. Your Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Adeolu Akinmoyero Akinyanju Oshabukola I, Àdáátán of Asá Kingdom. Have a lovely, fantastic and joyous birthday celebration.